In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Discord bot with Python. First, open the Discord developer portal in your browser and create a new application. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. This application is just the container for your bot. Once it's created, go to the bot section and add a bot. Discord will generate a token for you here. Treat that token like a password. Don't share it, don't paste it in screenshots, and don't commit it to any public code. If it ever leaks, you can reset it in the same place. While you're still on the bot page, scroll to Privileged Gateway Intents and enable Message Content Intent. This allows your bot to read the text of messages, which is required for simple prefix commands like the example we'll use. You can always revisit these settings if your bot's features change. Next, head to OAuth2 and open the URL generator, select the bot and applications.commands scopes. Then choose the permissions your bot needs. At minimum for a basic text reply, allow it to read and send messages. Copy the generated URL, open it in your browser, pick the server where you have permission to add apps, and authorize the bot. You should now see it appear offline in your server's member list. On your computer, open a terminal or command prompt. Make sure you have a recent version of Python installed. Then install the libraries we'll use by running pip install discord.py python.env. If pip isn't recognized, use pip3 or pampip depending on your setup. Create two files in a new project folder, bot.py and a .env file. The .env file will securely store your token so it never appears in your code. Add a line that defines your token variable and keep this file out of version control. In biot.py, set up a simple Discord client using discord.py, load your token from the environment with python.env, enable message content intents, and write a basic listener that replies when it sees the text. Hello. This small handler lets you verify everything is wired up correctly. Back in your terminal, run your script with python bot.py. If everything is configured correctly, your terminal will display a message indicating the bot has logged in. Switch to your Discord server, type hello in a channel where the bot has access, and you should see the bot respond. If it doesn't, double check the bot's permissions, your intent setting, and that the token in .env matches the one in the developer portal. That's it. Your first Python Discord bot is up and running.